Friends, my name is Anjala. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we will discuss all measuration formulae. Okay. So first we talk about the square. So first I draw the square shape here. Okay. Okay. So now we have the square shape here. So if we talk about the area of the square, okay, the area of the squares, we have the four sides. Okay, so area of the square, we have the a square. Now we talk about the perimeter. Okay, so I just write per. So the perimeter of the square, that is 4a. Now we will discuss the next one. This is the first one. Now we discuss the second one. So the second one we have, that is the rectangle. Okay, so in rectangle, the area we have, that is area. So area we have, that is length into breadth. Okay, we have the lengths and breadths. And now the perimeter we have, that is equals to 2 times length into breadth. Okay, we just multiply 2 times length into plus, this is not a multiplication. So when we add them length and breadth, then we multiply it from 2, so we get the area of the rectangle, we get the perimeter of the rectangle. Now we discuss the third one. So the third one we have, that is the triangle. Okay, so first I draw the triangle here. Okay, so now the triangle we have, so the triangle area, that is 1/2 base into height. Okay, now after triangle we have the fourth one. So the fourth one we have, that is the circle. Okay, so the circle we have, so the circle we have the area, that is equals to pi r square. Okay, and when we talk about the circumference of the circle, that is equals to 2 pi r. Okay, after that we move to the fifth one. So the fifth one we have, that is the cube. Okay, so first I need to draw the one square here. Okay, wait, what happened here? Okay, wait, I will remove it. This is removed and this as well. Okay, I will draw again. Okay, and I need one more. Okay, so now we just okay, this is the rough figure of the cube. Okay, so the volume of the cube, we have, that is the a cube. Okay, and the surface area of the cube we have, that is the 6a square. This is the surface area of the cube. Now in the sixth one we discuss the cuboid. Okay, so we have the one cuboid here, like that. Okay, so the volume of the cuboid we have, that is very simple, length into breadth into height, and the surface area, that is shown by SA, that is 2 times length breadth plus breadth height plus height length. Okay, so in some books the first one is the breadth height and the second one is the length breadth, so it's not like when we substitute the value, so it does not change the answer. Okay, now we discuss the seventh one. Okay, so the seventh one we have, that is the cylinder. So I draw the cylinder here. Okay, this is the cylinder. So the cylinder, the volume of the cylinder we have, that is the pi r square h. This is the volume of the cylinder, and the curved surface area. Okay, because the volume the cylinder is curved, so the curved surface area of the volume of the cylinder, we have the 2 pi r h. Okay, this is the seventh one. Now we discuss the eighth one. So the eighth one we have, that is the cone. Okay, the cone. So the volume of the cone, that is the 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, just 1/3 is adding the volume of the cylinder, and cone just difference of the 1/3. Okay, and the curved surface area we have, that is the pi RL. Okay, now we talk about the ninth one we have, that is the sphere. Okay, sphere body. So the sphere body, the volume of the sphere body, this is very important. In a large of exams, this question is very repeating. What is the calculate the volume of the sphere body? So the volume of the sphere body, we have the formula, that is 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, and the surface area we have, that is the 4 pi r cube. Okay, so it's very simple to remember, just the difference of 3 in volume and surface area. Okay, now we talk about the 10th one. So the 10th one we have, that is the hemisphere. Okay, so this is your task. Tell me in the comment what is the hemisphere. Okay, I will pin the comment who give the right answer. Okay, so the hemisphere we have, I just draw the circle and this is the hemisphere we have. Okay, so the volume of the hemisphere we have, that is 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, and the surface area we have, that is equals to 3 pi r cube. So I hope I will discuss all the geometrical objects, geometrical figures and their surface area, volumes, circumference and perimeter. I hope you like this video. If you like it, so comment your current standard and I will love your comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.